Have you missed the boat when it comes to Bitcoin in 2022 and beyond? Throughout 2021, Bitcoin has generated a lot of buzz, and its price has reached previously unheard of heights. In this video, we'll examine Bitcoin's future, what to expect in 2022 and beyond, and if it's still worthwhile to invest. What is Bitcoin? The biggest and most widely used cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. It is a digital currency without any real form of exchange, unlike the British pound. I'm sure if you clicked on this video, you already know the bare essentials of Bitcoin. Since 2021 was such a golden year for Bitcoin, it's critical to stay up to date on the shifting regulatory landscape that Bitcoin is now operating in. While many people purchase Bitcoins as a generally secure and decentralized payment option, many others do so in order to profit financially. However, if you are absolutely unfamiliar with cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin can be thought of as a completely digital payment mechanism that doesn't involve any sort of physical exchange. Is investing in Bitcoin wise in 2022? There are many ways to answer this, but Bitcoin is a very risky asset to invest in, as even this year has demonstrated. While the price of Bitcoin hovered around £40,000 in both the first and second halves of the year, it lost nearly half of this value in a matter of days around the halfway point. This meant that although some buyers of Bitcoin received a better return on their initial investment, others faced a significant value decline. Overall, investing in Bitcoin and other digital currencies is quite risky. There is no assurance you will get any of your money back, regardless of whether you purchased Bitcoin to make purchases or merely intend to retain it until you can sell it at a higher price. Bitcoin's price has had a strong 2021 and has risen to new highs. One Bitcoin became worth approximately £40,000 as of November 2021, compared to approximately £21,000 in July of the same year. Like previous years, the price of Bitcoin has fluctuated significantly, making price volatility a recurring aspect of Bitcoin. Having said that, there is no doubt that Bitcoin's price has risen above its historical range in 2021, which unavoidably has attracted a lot more attention to cryptocurrencies in general. Bitcoin is increasingly being accepted as legal tender by many large banking institutions and even nations, in part because of this. In what ways is Bitcoin regulated in the UK? In the UK, Bitcoin itself is largely unregulated. Digital currencies are categorized as property, and the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, regulates any website or exchange that sells them. The FCA and the Bank of England have both issued numerous pieces of guidance, advice, and warnings. However, given Bitcoin's rising popularity, it is entirely possible that the laws governing it could alter further in the not-too-distant future, which would undoubtedly have an impact on the price of Bitcoin. For instance, Bitcoin lost thousands of pounds in value in a couple of weeks when China chose to crack down on digital currencies. What will the future of Bitcoin look like in 2022? Nobody truly knows how high the price of Bitcoin could go because cryptocurrencies are an illiquid asset class. The risk of investing in Bitcoin is extremely significant, though, given the high values and the fact that governments are considering how best to regulate these currencies. It is impossible to predict exactly how digital currencies will develop in 2022, as is the case with all investments. But given that some patterns have recurred throughout Bitcoin's history, there are some logical expectations. First, price fluctuations that cause decreases and increases are likely to continue. Second, given that numerous changes are currently taking place on a fairly regular basis, adjustments to how cryptocurrencies are controlled should be anticipated. Thirdly, cryptocurrencies will continue to be accepted by the general public. Currently, a lot of large businesses accept Bitcoin payments, and more are joining all the time. As interest in Bitcoin grows, businesses and institutions are incorporating cryptocurrency services into their daily operations. Overall, Bitcoin is still a very promising asset to most people in the finance world and looks as though it's only going to attract more interest. However, investing in anything is risky, so please make sure you exercise all due diligence and do some research before investing. If you have enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. Also turn on the bell for future upload updates. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.